Wednesday, June 7th, 2023. It's about 4:45 in the afternoon. It's probably 65 out. Water's a couple degrees cooler than that. Water's actually warmed up quite a bit the last 2 or 3 weeks. It's in the low 60s at least. Humidity's pretty high today. We've had a bunch of overcast and actual drizzle and rain. I think we had a 1/4 inch the day before. Was that yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. Which is kind of rare for this time of year. So I'm shooting from UCSB Campus Point parking lot number 6, right in the middle. Same place every time. About 46 feet up right now because I got the tripod extended. You get above those yellow flowers and bushes that have grown. So that's Mesa Lane there on the left at 6.5 miles. Muscle Shoals way down there, just below Rincon at 23 miles. And it's Wednesday evening, so there's should be a bunch of sailboats out in front of the harbor. I don't think they quite go out that far though. They're probably hiding behind the point. The Yacht Club has their Wednesday night series through the summer. There's usually like 20, 25 boats out there racing. Got a low apparent horizon tonight. Right in the middle of the frame, right kind of above the rocks there that stick out into the water, there's a white buoy that's about 7.5 miles. I don't know if you can see it. I can't tell in the viewfinder. I'll go down toward Ventura here. Yeah, there's a little bit of a, little bit of an Inferior Mirage down there. You can see it rounded off on the headland coming down there to the left. So that's platform Hogan at 17.8 miles there. Yeah, it's totally miraged along the base. A little bit of sun hitting the other ones. Maybe it'll still be there. Let me come back around on the upper 4 there. There's Houchin, Conejo Mountain up to the left, about 50 miles and 1,900 feet. The ever-present ridge across there. There's Henry. Looks like a boat in front of it there. Oh, that's that excursion boat. It's called the Azure Seas. It does tours every day. I wish it had an AIS because I think it's straight south of the harbor at about 9 miles from my camera, which is just past the alleged globe horizon. So Saddle Peak's hiding right in there in the middle. In the background at 71 miles and 2,800 feet. Right behind the ever-present ridge, which is never where it should be. It's about 900 to 1,000 feet above the expected location based on a globe with a 39-59 mile radius. Some folks say that's due to standard refraction, which is just goofy as hell. There's Platform Hill House, 14.6 miles. Still quite a bit of miraging right there. Platform A. Platform B. And Platform C at 13.1 miles. If the base is not obscured by a Mirage, you can see the crossbars just above the water. We're probably around 15 feet on a nominal tide, and we got a pretty high tide right now. Guessing it's at least a 3-foot tide right now, maybe a 4-foot. But I can't tell if the crossbars are visible. So I'll zip over here past La Jolla and Laguna Peaks and the sailboat. Can't really tell what's going on. He might be bouncing in and out of that Mirage. Breeze. I'm going to try to bring the frame up a little bit here. There's not much swell right now. I guess it's maybe 1 or 2 foot in the channel. Yeah, he's in the Mirage for sure. And that's Magoo Peak at 50 miles and 1,260 feet elevation. Globe hidden height nominal should be 1160. So you should only see the top 100 feet. Over to the right where it's rounded off there, it actually sticks out quite a ways over here. The land does toward Port Hueneme, and in the background, Magoo Naval Air Station, or Naval Air Station Ventura, as they call it these days. But it's hiding in the Mirage right now. Okay. The upper 4, lower 3 hiding down there. Back around.